Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through how to get started with PlotSenseAI. PlotSenseAI is an AI-powered assistant for creating smarter and more explainable data visualizations. We'll begin with installation and setup, then we'll explore PlotSense modules, the recommender module, the plot generator module, and the explainer module, and see how each one works with an example dataset we're going to be getting from Seaborn. By the end of this video, you know how to go from installation all the way to creating and explaining plots using PlotSenseAI. Let's get right into it. First, we have to install PlotSenseAI, and you can do this in the terminal using pip install PlotSense, or here in Jupyter Notebook like this. I already have it installed, so that's why you can see this. Next, import the PlotSense modules and necessary libraries like so. Recommender for suggesting visuals, PlotGen for generating plots, and explainer to explain the plots in natural language, in this case English. And also import pandas library as PD for working with data frames, import Seaborn obviously for us to get our sample data set, and import OS to handle environment variables. Next, PlotSenseAI requires an API key from GROQ to enable its AI features, and we can get the key from this link here. Make sure to store this key somewhere safe, as GROQ will not show it again, so you can use it at any time. And here's the key I got generating this. Now we'll set it as an environment variable here. Next, to demonstrate PlotSenseAI, we'll use a dataset from Seaborn. And first, let's list all the available datasets by running this code. You can see anagrams, ASCII, attention, a lot of them here, any one of your choice. From this list, we'll use the Planet dataset in this video. So now let's ask PlotSenseAI to suggest data visualizations for our datasets. The recommender function analyzes the data frame and recommends suitable plots. We can select how many recommendations we want. For this video, let's do 7. You can see from 0 to 6. These are the indexes. Gave about 7 suggestions. All right. Next, we can generate a plot directly from the recommendations using this code. Let's use the 5th recommendation, return above, whose index is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5th recommendation and the index is 4. That's why we have 4 here. All right. And so once you run this code, you get this beautiful pie chart. Another way to do this is to use the ilog indexer method like this, and you get the same thing exactly. All right. Finally, PlotSenseAI can generate an explanation of the plot you've worked on earlier using natural language. In this case, plain English language, as you can see here. And this is the code to use. All right. And just quickly, why we used print here, print explanation instead of just calling explanation, is because of how this explanation will be presented. If you use print, it will be presented in this beautiful format where you can easily read it from here and do more interesting things with it. But if you just call it as explanation here, you would find that it's written in this straight line format, which is not the best way to do data viz actually. All right, and that's it for this video. Check the description below for more resources, including a link to a detailed written guide on this video if you prefer written references, and a guide as well, or a link to the PlotSenseAI docs and other useful articles from Havilah Academy. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel so you'll be updated whenever we release new content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.